In this video, I want to show you the simple process of posting on Facebook, doing it smartly, and also uploading photos and albums. Posting is quite instinctive, I would say. This is your home page on Facebook, and this is where you post. You can post your thoughts, you can post an idea, you can post what you're doing, and you can also post a link, and Facebook will recognize the link. Let's play along with the link, just for the heck of it. Your digital agent.net. The minute that you put up a link, what happens is that Facebook starts thinking. You can see it. You can see it over here, and it recognizes that it's a link from a website, and it shows you the actual website. Then you can erase the original link and just write a post. Check out this cool site. And when we post, before we post, we can decide which audience we're going to use. Facebook is also trying to help us here. It's a little bit annoying, but it's because I'm a first-time user on this account. Okay. By the way, sometimes Facebook allows you to choose which picture to show from the website that you're just linking. Let's decide that it's let's do the Facebook one. There we go. Okay. It can be a public post, or if you remember and you saw in a different video, we can create lists. And let's say that only my real estate list will be the audience for this post. Okay, you see it now changes to real estate. And that means that only people that I put in this list will see this post. And I can click now on post, and this post will appear. Usually you would use the public setting, so anyone can see the post. But sometimes you want to play along a little bit. The other things I wanted to show you is adding a video or photo, I'm sorry, and making it into an album. So I click on add a photo. I can add a single photo, or let's create a nice little album. First of all, we need to choose the pictures. Let's choose these two. Okay, an album can start with as little as 2 pictures. And while it's uploading, you can insert information as where they were, where the pictures were taken, if you think it's relevant to the album. Okay, and again, if we want to post, we can change the name of the album. Did you see it? I don't know if everyone was able to see. The album begins as an untitled album. That's the default name. We just have to click here. Let's call it Property 1. You can say something about it. Amazing new house, blah blah blah. We can add the location. We can decide who's going to see. Again, with a post, let's make this one a public post, and we can add more photos if we want. And once we're happy and done, we can post. Just one more thing I want to show you. You can add something about each photo, some sort of text. Let's call this living room, and let's call this kitchen, and post the photos. Now the photos will be added to my wall or timeline. Now you can see the photos. Let's go back to my news feed, and you can see that the new photos have been added. Property 1 is the name of the album, so if someone clicks this, they will go directly into the album. I can link this album to a website if I want. And by the way, everyone who uses Facebook knows this already. As I'm adding posts and as I'm adding photos, Facebook is always trying to suggest new friends for me. That's like a continuation of the previous video that I hope you saw, how to add friends and manage lists. The lists help us all the time, the real estate list or whatever list that we create, to target our posts and our photos.